Okay, I have with me JBL Horizon 2, and then I would like to show how to adjust the brightness of this screen. So what you need to do is just press the scan button like this, long press it, and then it will appear as an auto at the beginning. And then you just turn on the top knob or top button between auto, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 as a brightness level. So if you would like to make the brightness level adjusted automatically with the surrounding environment or surrounding light, you just choose auto. But if you would like to adjust to suit your needs, you can select either 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, as simple as that. So in my case, I prefer auto. So when it's done, I just press again the top knob like this, and it's done. Hope it is useful. Bye bye.